ready for me to jump off?
Yeah, work. You're going?
Yes!
Mastermind. Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl dipped in chocolate, and I'm here with you guys. I'm here with Simsima and Zion. Guys, their YouTube channel will be here and here. Here is Zai. Say hi, Zai. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Jamari, say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Sensational kid, don't do it.
Yeah, sensational kid. So guys, we're going to
The river.
river. Yeah, we're going to the river.
Under one bridge.
Under one pot. Yes, so guys.
That's alright,
Alright, that's a Simsima, guys.
Yeah, in the place.
Tell them to
Zona
subscribe.
River. Hello, and watch me ready for the river. Long time. So subscribe to the channel, boys and girls and people.
My true.
Road trip.
Guys, so we reached. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can come out the car. Come on, Zai. Let's go. Guys, look on the son and girl melanin she. iPhone make it places look pretty and green, and the green they look pretty. But otherwise, yeah. I'll be a YouTube. We want to do on YouTube a sports day. We're gonna link up with some other rest of them, like running them.
Me can't record nothing yet.
Why?
Anybody here? Anybody here? Hello! Yay!
Woo!
What you
There your
do?
echo. So guys, this is the river.
It's a girl in Sima Air. Down a river.
But me no want to take
One got two.
Take picture.
Don't play with me, no. Look for me, but me not chain. What? Look at her. Woo! Where that's a slippery man. Look at Jamari. What's a cool? But it feels nice. We're going fishing, guys.
Look at me.
Look at you. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, I'm coming. Oh, go Julia.
We're looking for fish.
Some big fish over here, say you know.
Jamari, that wet me up. Look out. Let's find some fish, you guys.
And the big color.
See, look one there. Have some little tiki them there.
So, okay. See there? What a big perch there.
Guys, here by me.
Wig by me.
Guys, don't forget to go follow my lip gloss merch down in my description below. Period. So come. We're going to find it. This is my Avon, guys. So I'm just going to dry it up a little bit.
You find fish?
No, just a wee.
It's just, oh.
Look. Catch you.
I should go catch perch.
She's gone fishing.
Hey, go, hey,
Straight on YouTube.
What is up on his island?
Jamari, You're going to chase away the fish. Go this side.
Come and stay with Zai.
We're looking for a fish.
No man, see the good fish them here. Stay there. Stay right there, so. You know, so the water, I don't like how the water feels. No, you see, because it look like it's not disturbed.
Yeah.
The leaf and so seclong and everything. So when you step, it just have a whole heap, yeah.
Sinking sand. So this is her method of fishing. Look here now, should I bring your phone?
Stay there.
Mosquito.
Watch here, look back on it. Hold on, sit now. Hold it down. Look at my one that grow, you know, miss. Yeah? You see big fish? I see a big one. Okay, see one put one there now? Look on over this one. One.
I can't turn around. No, swim, God. Swim.
Tiny curtain head.
Michelle, bring more catchers.
No, still right this way. You're so soft side. And you say you're going to talk about oyster. Okay. But them stay on the ground. It's good.
Come baptize you. Can you get baptized?
No.
Come. Go so. I know. Baptize Jamari for the remissions of his sins. Come now, Jam. Come and me baptize you. Come and baptize you.
Yeah, see what's the fish and the big old bird in my mouth. What can sit me from me? The big old biscuit and run for your life. No man. Only just a aunt you within a big self. What's there?
I want to hold another fish.
And then you can put some biscuits in the bucket.
But
With a float out.
Wait.
No float out. Me no feel no way.
Let me have a look at the fish calling. I want to drink the water. I want to drink the water.
Don't drink the water.
Come baptize you too, man. What was that? Come baptize you.
I'm sorry, she not no sense.
Come here.
No, she not no sense. She have sense, don't you mean?
Come and save you.
Up here, so me say, stay where you see Zai there right there, so stay where Zai is. She not keep yourself quiet.
Make a end the vlog here.
There's a fish.
Before my storage say, girl, what are you doing?
No better herring, no better barrel. There, on it and there.
Let's go look for a fish here.
You want a big fish? Me want frog in my car, man. Me want frog. All of my food wet up and I left the frog on the bed because I hear me say me brown frog.
And this can go no further.
They not done wet already? They done wet. Tell me why your baggy get wet. How your baggy get wet? Come so, go so. Go so Simone. So.
Can you give me that? No, yes.
Then get the fish nose already and know say that.
Singing water.
You want a red one? Come, go there. Yeah, that's why they love over there. Wicked. Are you just not tell me?
No way.
Yeah, nice man. You look like shark cousin. Just cover it, cover it.
And him see me? See me? See me?
That's cool. The ticky them down. Yeah? Want to see?
Where does it deep?
We don't have nothing. We don't have nothing. When we finish, I'll show you the ones that we catch again, okay? The ones. Yeah. We're taking it down. Can you have it?
So guys, Miss Campbell and Miss Michael caught this. Miss it, people, you guys can't even see it. I guess the fish is shy. I guess the fish is shy. Oh! Don't trouble him. So guys, I had to put up my hair in one because you know the girl hair have inches and it will get wet up, so I'm put it up in a. I didn't want to get wet, but I did get wet. Guys, getting barbed up again. Oh my god, the sun is so beautiful, but it's so hot.
Watch it. Hello. Why did he do that? Because I'm going to hold him and I'm just have him spike. What is this? Fin? Something. Him something. And it just stand up like that. You know, like when you touch puss, I saw it stand up. That is not how it is.
This can't go on video. Wow! They are too white. Show me body and say, roll it down.
Go down there, you know what I'm saying? So guys, we're going home now because we're finished fishing. Comment. Them can't see it, man. So comment down below and tell me what y'all think about this vlog. Let me fix this. Let me fix this, guys. So guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to flick. Right.
I got you.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Move them, Mary. I'm afraid of right here, so come in and want my hand. Alright. Why?
I'm tired. Yep.
I want to catch you.
I'm going to teach you now. So you have, this is called the, what? I remember. So who did they on the cheerleading? Want to tell me? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Says 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the 4, you're going to, okay? So alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the, oh my god, my clip came up my hair. So the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Other one, 4. So we're gonna do the whole 3 of them one time. Alright, 1, 2, 3. O-H-S, let's go. O-H-S, let's go. O-H-S, let's go. Let's go. What me really I do? My foot has scratched me.
Jamari, I do not dirty up my blouse. You can run your back. Because I said, if you see one big scissors up there, let it stay like this and hold it.
Let's go.
And don't move.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You're not going. You're done. You're done.
Hey, yeah. I'm finished off now. People me bored and overdose. So I'm going to start teaching you some routines. Come on, toes. Come, look at the dirt. Hey. So guys, really and truly, me need to stop now. I really need to stop now. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Guys, I know I'm loving you. Just go on loving yourself, go on respect on yourself, respect on elders. Because a lot of that is not being, there are a lot of that now going on in the society right now. They're not, they're young people coming up. They don't know to respect their elders. So make Dipty and Chalky telling us, hey, so the persons before us, they are the persons who are there to guide us to be like them or better, right? So we have to respect with elders, respect with peers, because the only way a leader can stay a leader is to hear the persons around his environment. Because if the Prime Minister never that here, a Minister of Finance or a Minister of Education or a Minister of Health, he would know the other problems in the other aspects of his, what I say, I don't know the other words, put in the comment section, in the different parts of his, yeah. So guys, respect on peers, respect on respect the persons put in charge of you guys, and we are out.